Welcome to our tutorial on how to distinguish staff augmentation from e-learning outsourcing. Staff augmentation means adding skilled professionals to your team. They work closely with your employees, ensuring seamless collaboration. You get more control, flexibility, and direct oversight, leading to high-quality results. Outsourcing e-learning involves external experts handling specific projects independently. While it offers broader coverage, it may lack the direct control and integration of staff augmentation. For projects needing close collaboration and high control, staff augmentation is your best bet. Choose wisely. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.